Yeah. Alright guys, look what showed up today. Let's dive in. Pretty excited about this. Didn't think I was gonna upgrade this year, but plans changed. Oh, yeah. Oh, beautiful. There it is. One Whipple Gen 5 for the Hemi. Looking beautiful in there. Alright, let's see what's in this box. This box. Airbox. Coolant hoses. This is a 375 pulley. Yeah, baby. One freaking 12 Whipple throttle body. Pulley. Instructions, license plates, stickers. Let's see. This is a fuel rail. Not bad. So that's basically everything that comes with the stage 2. The blower, airbox, coolant lines, fuel rails, silicone hose to connect the air filter, pulley, get some literature, some decals, license plate, sell the extra little electrical connections, hoses, fittings, and so forth, silicone. 112 throttle body. All ready for mama. Let's drop this on there and see what it looks like.